Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be discussing this unit. Watch me get it in order. It doesn't start off too bad, but I just want to show you how I got my hair this way, how I have been taking care of this hair, and what's been going on. If you're interested in the details on this hair and how I get it to look like this, then stay tuned. We have a special guest. She wants to be on camera, but now she wants to hide. Hey, look at that girl. Hi. Oh, I love you too. Okay, I'm gonna take her outside before we start because who wants to be interrupted? Not me. Okay guys, I'm back. I took my black hoodie off because how are y'all gonna see the hair? Like, I know better than that. I have a dark color shirt on still, but you should still be able to see. I'm gonna include as many videos and pictures as possible so you guys can see the trueness of this hair. So, I installed this wig on Friday. It is Wednesday. She's still here. Here is the inside of the unit. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and this elastic band. There's also 1 comb directly behind the closure back there. So to tint the lace, I use this Ebin tinted lace spray in the medium dark brown shade. Love this stuff. Here I'm just putting the wig on. I do have 1 layer of got-to-be glue gel on my skin. I use only the yellow bottle, by the way, and I let it get tacky. As you can see, the gel turned white a little bit when I laid the lace down. Don't use your finger, it'll get really messy. So I'm using the end of this edge brush that I got from my beauty supply store. With the gel that seeped through the lace, I'm using that to kind of mold my baby hairs down. But then I quickly decided against the baby hairs. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush them back. But like I said, the gel that seeped through the lace, I'm using that to kind of lay my front portion of the hair down. I'm following up with some Tresemme holding spray. I like to use the gel, and then the Tresemme holding spray, and then the Got to Bleed holding spray. So Tresemme first, and I'm doing the exact same thing, using the excess to mold the hair down, but also the spray is to get a better hold on the wig. Luvme provided this edge scarf, which is so pretty and so helpful because I need it. Clearly, I'm using it, and it is really nice and good for them for promoting their company. This is so smart to do. LUVMEHAIR was kind enough to provide me with a coupon code for you guys, so use this coupon code to save on your next purchase. So after a few minutes, I let this dry, and here's what everything is looking like. You can stop now if you want, but like I said, I like to follow up with the Got to Be spray. So I'm just spraying that and doing the same exact thing and brushing the excess spray into the hair. And then I'm going to tie this down once again and wait for everything to dry. Now that it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I find it's easier for me to cut the lace into 3 sections, even though it's a closure. It's just easier for me when I cut the lace into 3. So I'm doing that. And I'm going in now with some eyebrow scissors and just getting as close as I can to the hairline. I'm usually caught in between cutting the lace straight across like I'm doing here, or cutting it into like a zigzag motion. I don't know. I'm just doing it straight now. I'm just taking a baby wipe here and wiping the excess gel off my skin. And finally, I'm just taking a little bit of hair out on both sides for my baby hairs. I'm doing this to create more of a natural look, but I'm also just trying to hide the edge of the closure there.
As you guys can see, this side of the closure didn't lay as flat as the other one, but that's fine. I just added a little bit of eyeshadow off camera, and then I also cut a little bit more of that lace off to help lay everything flatter. Now I'm just going to clean everything up and use an elastic band just to lay everything down one last time while I continue to get ready. And that's that.
We still have the same exact install in. She got a little bit loose. I refreshed her with a little bit of my Tresemme spray on last night before I tied my hair up. So this is how I go to sleep with this bonnet on. I have a couple of these. This is the extra large one. I got it from my local beauty supply store. Okay, we're not looking too bad, but I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see what the lace and everything is looking like right now. And I did put a little bit of lace tint and makeup on the lace, so I'm losing some of that color. After a while, makeup oxidizes, so the color is a little off. I'm gonna try to correct that today as well. This unit did come pre-plucked. This wig did come with a kit to like get you started. Like everything you need comes with the wig, so I really do appreciate that. So I did use the tweezers that came with the wig to just pluck just a little bit extra, but nothing crazy. So I just want to refresh this wig, and as I'm curling and getting ready to go on with my day, I'm gonna be getting ready with y'all. Y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do to just refreshen this wig before I take it off tonight and wash it. So all the details will be in the description box, but I'll quickly just go over things with you. I have on a 5x5 lace closure wig, and it is in 20 inches and it's 180% density. It is a body wave texture. It does hold the curl pretty well. As you guys can see, the hair does have like a little bit of a wave to it. Here is how long the hair is on me. I'm 5 feet even, and I would say the hair is true to length. I have all the hair pushed to the back. This is how long it is. I'm really happy with the density of this wig. It's not too full and not too thin. I personally think I would not like the 150 density. The luster of this hair is pretty good as well. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it's looking really good. Like I said, I do need to co-wash the hair. I just want to refreshen things so I can look presentable when I go out today. I also just want to go over, this is not a frontal wig. The lace is 5 inches across, so the lace starts and stops right here. This is how far it is, and it goes back to here. And then I just want to show you guys, there is no lace here on the side of the wig. It's just tracks, but the way they constructed the wig, you literally can't see any tracks. They like covered it up really well. So I'm gonna be doing really loose curls in the hair, but as I do that, I will talk to you guys about this wig. And to curl my hair today, I'm using this Revlon curling iron. I'm not 100% sure of the sizing, but I want to say it's about 1.5 inches, or yeah, I don't think this is 1 inch. I think it's like 1.5 inches. It's a pretty big barrel, so you're gonna get looser curls. If you want your curls to be tighter, of course, get a smaller barrel, but I like the wavy look, so I don't mind the looser curls. So, I don't know about you, but I have seen LUVMEHAIR on my Instagram, and I did see a few ads on Facebook before, so I've seen the company before, but I haven't really watched too many reviews on this company, I'm not gonna lie. So when they reached out to me, I was curious to see the quality of the hair, and I really like to see what these wigs are about. I would consider myself a wig collector at this point. But anyway, I just really wanted to know what was the tea. So I usually pin these curls, by the way, but today I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hold them for a few seconds and then just let them drop, because yeah, that's just what I'm feeling like today. So anyway, the company reached out to me and they asked me if I would like to review one of their wigs. So I selected this wig because I thought with the 5x5 closure, it would be a lot of an easier install. And to be honest, I like my hair to be done, but I really don't like a lot of fuss. I wanted to just, I guess you could say I'm kind of lazy when it comes to my hair. I just want to get it looking cute, presentable, and let's go. I don't feel like gluing down every day, and the easiest, most convenient thing for me, I would like to do it. So I thought that would be smart to get a closure wig, because obviously we don't have to glue it down if you don't want to, and it's just less maintenance with, you know, without having all that lace across your head. So I decided to go with the 5x5, and I'm very, very pleased with my decision. If you ever hear me reference glue, I'm talking about got to be glued or my hairspray. I don't use actual lace glue for my wigs ever. I'm not against it, but I just don't use it. So there is no need for glue. For extra security, I just like to use my got to be glued spray. Now, first things first, getting the wig, I was a little bit nervous about the shipping. I wasn't sure how long it was gonna take. I believe the hair came in about 6 days. It was a little less than a week. So shipping was not long at all. Communication with the seller was really good. I was a little bit nervous about the actual size of the wig because I do have a smaller head. My head is about 21.5 inches, I believe. So I just feel like I need a wig that's gonna fit my head, number one, because I just feel like that's one of the main things to keep your wig looking nice as possible, is if it fits properly. So I wanted to know if the wig came in a small size, and the person I was communicating with let me know that the wig does not come in a small size and that their wigs are medium size, which is 22.5 inches. So I was a little bit nervous, but she did inform me that the wig comes with adjustable straps. So I was just like, it is what it is. We just gonna see when it get here. And it's here and it fits my head amazingly. Like, it fits really good. I don't know if this wig is considered big head friendly. If you have a small to medium head, you should be okay. I mean, if you have a bigger head, it will fit because there is stretch in the cap, but I'm not sure how well it will fit. But if you have a smaller size head or a medium size head, you're gonna be good. Like I said, I just feel like when your wigs fit your head properly, you don't get that like helmet shape or that hump shape at the top. It just lays flatter and it just looks much nicer. So that's always a concern of mine when I'm getting wigs. I just want to know like what size the actual cap is. Also, before I install the wig, I did curl the wig, and I flattened out the lace closure before I installed it, and I'll show you guys that. I just used my hot comb to flatten out the closure, but I went in very small sections. You don't have to do that. If you don't have a hot comb, I would suggest using maybe like a heating tool and just a comb, doing like a chase method. But yeah, I just felt like because it's a closure, it's not obviously gonna lay as flat as a frontal would. And sometimes when you get hair, the hairs in your closure or your frontal, sometimes they're just literally just standing up when you first get your wig, and I just wanted to lay it down and train it. So I'll show you guys how I do that. I got so many compliments on this wig. This unit itself right now is definitely in my top 5. It's very, very easy. I like the length of it. I like the density of it. It's not giving me any trouble. It fits properly. The construction of the wig is like A1. I'm really, really loving it. I've only worn the hair in a middle part. Obviously, the lace, like I mentioned, is 5 inches across. I can change the parting, but I just haven't because I'm really enjoying the middle part. I know I've received like very, very minimal shedding, but I don't want to say no shedding because all hair sheds, but I'm gonna just say minimal because I know I've gotten a few strands here and there, but literally nothing out of control at all. This hair is perfect. It doesn't tangle or anything. Look at that, look at these curls. Come on y'all, come on y'all. She's so pretty, I love it. All right, so I'm gonna go curl the other side and then I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair. Okay guys, so I'm totally done. I'm not doing anything extra. I already did my makeup off camera. If you're interested in this look, make sure you subscribe because the video on this look is definitely gonna be up soon. But anyway, back to the hair. I just wanted some really loose, effortless curls, and that is what I got here. I just wanted to refresh the wig so, you know, we can look presentable when we go out today. I'm just going to run a few errands. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys what the hair is looking like after I straightened up the part and I made sure that the lace was tacked down good enough. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I did. I am gonna take this unit off tonight and wash it, but she needs to be washed. But I'm saying, like, look at this. This install has been in for days. I have been hot. I have threw this hair up. I went to sleep without a bonnet on one night. But anyway, yeah, she's still doing so good. I don't have anything bad to say about this wig at all. I hope I hit all the points and all the marks for you guys. Shipping, not bad at all. Customer service, not bad at all. Communication was great. Packaging, A1. This is, I'm not gonna lie, this is the nicest packaging that I've received. It's just like they actually care. They got a real box. They gave me all the products that I would need to actually install the wig. So packaging, top notch in my book. The best packaging I've received so far, so great on that. The actual unit, it fits my head properly. It is user friendly. If you're not like a connoisseur, a professional in wigs, this wig is definitely a good wig to try out if you're just getting started into wigs or you just want something really easy and convenient. That's what I wanted. That's what I got. The hair is really nice and soft. It holds a curl. Sorry, my camera cut off. All right, yeah. I don't have anything else to say. That's probably why the camera cut off. I hope you guys are subscribed. If you're not, please go ahead and subscribe. If this video was helpful to you or you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up. If you are not following me on Instagram, here is my name. Please go ahead and follow me there. You'll get all the behind the scenes info or whatever I just don't post over here on YouTube. I'm usually on there. So yeah, that's that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.